Subtle mix of vital force and fragility, nature is one of the principal muses for Van Cleef & Arpels. Elusive, free of the constraints of gravity, the bird is the living incarnation of the ideal of nature, light and mobile, symbol of liberty. The Maison launched itself into the challenge of interpreting, in gold and precious stones, the grace and beauty of the delicate and mysterious birds of paradise. And so was born a complete collection which picks up on the silhouettes, but also the volutes designed by the extraordinary plumage of the birds of paradise. In the discovery of stylized creatures, tender and precious, each piece shows the search for excellence and the passion of our master jewelers. Free interpretations of the legendary bird, the collection presents a universe which is both figurative and abstract. Certain pieces representing the bird are striking in their realism, while others, more graphic in their theme, play on the arabesques formed by their feathers.